Have you ever asked God for proof of something? I think we can all agree that in our moments of doubt and uncertainty, we've all probably said, Lord, if you're really there, can you show me a sign? Philip did this exact thing, and Jesus let him know, in a loving way, of course, that what he was asking for, he already actually had access to. In John 14:8, Philip said to him, Lord, show us the Father, and it is sufficient for us. Peter wanted evidence, y'all, but Jesus reminded him that he is the visible image of an invisible God. The proof that Philip was looking for was right in front of him, but he didn't even recognize it. Like, how often do we miss God's presence because we are looking for something else? I don't know if it's the movies or TV, but we've begun to sensationalize what God's presence should really look like in our lives. We expect a miracle or a sign or an audible voice from heaven, but sometimes God is already working right before our eyes, but we're blinded by expectation of what we think it should be. Instead of wanting proof, recognize the power of God's presence operating in your life. Notice the little things in your everyday moments through His Word, His peace, and His joy, and how He continues to move in your life. Listen, that is proof enough. Let me know in the comments, how do you experience evidence of God's love in your life? Thanks for listening to another 1 Minute on Purpose.